Alright, hi everyone. This is Jim Lee Elevators here on YouTube. And today we are going to be doing a hotel room tour of the Hyatt Regency Hotel in downtown Dallas, Texas, with a beautiful view of the atrium. You see right here, those are the elevators. But anyways, we are in room 534. So we are going to go inside and take a look at the room. Anyways, in case you guys are wondering, I'm actually here. I'm staying here at this hotel for an event called the Winter Conference, which is a retreat gathering where college students from various campuses all across the country gather to have some sort of opportunities and growing in their faith. They include activities such as worship, outreach, games, and much more fun activities. And I've only paid $249 while registering, which includes the room. So, anyways, you see right here, this is your floor plan. If you want to read, pause the video now. So, you got your deadbolt. See, that's locked. And you have this this sort of lock. I'm not sure what it's called. So you can't get in. I think this is like some sort of partial lock where people, if you want to talk to people, you just open the door this much without opening it all the way. This right here adds an extra layer of security so that the door would not even open at all, especially late at night. Anyways, I'm gonna have to leave it open because I'm actually staying with my college friends, so yeah. But anyways, here is the view of the room. Sorry I'm sounding too tired because I really need to get to bed as soon as I finish this video. And there's my bag for my professional camera. And you got your flat screen TV right here with a fridge. You got your drawers. It's quite empty. Your chair. Excuse all the stuff here. That's the workstation. Your flat screen TV. This is your coffee maker. Chair. And that's your air conditioner. There's a view outside, but I don't think I want to open the blinds. So you got your lamp right here. And here is your bed. Feels nice, doesn't it? Anyways, this is basically a 3-person double bed suite. As you wonder, both of my friends are sleeping on this side, and this is where I have my own bed. So, as you may notice, there's like, I wonder what that is. I thought that's like a nightlight or something. But there is your remote control for that TV. Like I said, I'm sorry I'm kind of exhausted recording this video, but I just thought, why not I record this video. You got your phone, alarm clock. Yeah, it's after midnight. I can't wait to go to bed after this video. Got an empty drawer right here. Nightstand, plug. And we are now going to those. I wonder what those mats are. Before we look at the restroom, I forgot to take a look at the closet. Goodness, it closes off fast. But anyways, there's your closet right here. You got your ironing board, clothes hanger, and a safe, as well as an extra pillow right there. And last but not least, oh, look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. And what do you guys think of my shirt that says, I'm only here to ride the elevator? I know it's backwards. But anyways, we'll close it up. And here is the view of the bathroom. I do want to announce to you guys, I'm only just going to show the room because I do not have enough memory space. So in case if anyone asks me, I am not going to film the whole entire hotel. So I do apologize about that. But here is your sink. Look in the mirror. Hi. There's your commode right here. I'll go and flush it. Nice. Here's your shower right here. Your soap. I guess I'm going to give it a little bit of a test. So here we go. I want to make sure this stuff doesn't splash on me. Okay, I'm going to go and shut it off. Whew, almost got a little bit of wet. I almost got on my hand. Which, this is the place I'm definitely going to be taking a shower of as soon as I finish this video. Because, like I said, I am getting tired and I can't wait to go to bed soon. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the room tour of the Hyatt Regency Hotel in downtown Dallas. I hope this video was good enough that I covered. Sorry that I am just quite tired while making this video. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I know my room tour video isn't all that great. I mean, I hope it is. But other than that, thank you all so much for watching. And that is going to be it.